Wow, beautiful watercolor. I will use it in this video. Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful helicopter with tracing. Here I draw a dot picture. Let's connect all the dots and see this will be a beautiful helicopter. Follow my every step and try to draw with me. Do you know kids, helicopter is also a air transport called air transport. There are many air transports. Helicopter is one of them. Aeroplane, jet, hot air balloon and rocket also called air transport. I finished to draw the picture. Let's start coloring. Here I am using watercolor. First one I am using light blue color. Blue color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Light blue color. Now I'm using deep blue color. Blue color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Deep blue color. Now I'm using yellow color. Yellow color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yellow color. Now I'm using red color. Red color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Red color. And now I'm using light green color. Green color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Light green color. And the last one I'm using purple color. Purple color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.